The Bible said in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Zoe that strengthens me. Divine life strengthens. Divine nature strengthens. Divine life gives power. Somebody say aloud, amen. No wonder Jesus said, I came that they may have life and have it more abundantly. No wonder the Bible said in 1 John 4 verse 4, ye are of God, little children, and has overcome them. Why? Greater, stronger, more powerful is he that is in you than he that is in the world. Divine nature, divine life, the greater life, the super life, the unbeatable life. Somebody shout grace. Don't look at yourself as a weakling anymore. Don't look at yourself as a vegetable anymore. You are a carrier of a potency of divine life.